friends, how are you all? Especially this is for you. I want you to pay attention on this video. Okay? Hi there, this is Mumtaz, the Serving Soul, the founder of Healing Heaven Global here. I would like to announce that we have come up with the wonderful program, the Youth Divine Empowerment Program. Okay? Many parents, they suffer because the children are suffering. They don't know how to understand each other. They don't know how to talk to their own parents. They don't know how to express their feelings. They must be going through the depression problem. They must be going through the anxiety problem. They must be going through they don't know how to express. They must be having lot of problem inside within. Okay. I have a child who's just 19 years old. She's just going to be 20 now. Her friends used to have so many problems, and as a mother she used to come and share lot of problems of her friends. I felt, what can we do for this youth? There are starting from 13 years up to 25 years old, between. She's got a friend circle. So she used to come and talk to me, Mama, this friend is having that problem, that friend is having this problem. When she used to come and talk about it, that time I used to feel, because we need to pay some attention on the youth. We need to pay some attention on the children. There are many children, they are suffering because they don't know how to express. So this is specially for them I have created. Like for example, let me share how we keep cleaning the house. We keep clearing the clutter. The same way we have to do the inner clutter clearing. There are many negative thought process keep going on in our mind. Youth is the great future of our life, isn't it? Youth is the great future of the world. If they are positive today, the world can be more positive tomorrow. That's the reason, if they are having the ability to change themselves, enhance themselves, I think this is a great thing, they can do it. Parents, please listen to me. I being a parent, I can understand what you must be going through. Okay? There are many parents, they don't want to disclose their problems to their friends because it is not going to be good to talk about children. No, you have to think about them. You have to take some kind of, you have to give them some push to transform themselves. Okay? That's the reason we have come up with the wonderful program which is going to change their life, which is going to transform their life. I guarantee you. Okay? Starting from how they can convert the negative thought process into positive thought processes. That's more important. They are the light being from the light world. They have to keep shining. They will learn in one of the process how they have to keep shining. How they can do the clutter clearing from the within. How they can create the miracles, in their own world. There is a process. See, parents, you must be having children who's having low confidence, This is the best of the process, best of the program you should buy and give to your children, Push them, tell them, take the 11-day challenge. It's 11-day challenge they should go through. Okay? One of the process they will learn how to enhance themselves, how to grow, how to motivate themselves. With the magical mirror technique, they can be more confident. They can be more confident to fight the world. Okay? Because each and every process, that divine techniques are going to transform their life. Here there is process, how they can create the miraculous magnetic money, how they can cleanse themselves, the dance process, and as well as how they can able to, while sleeping also, how can they be more positive. Ultimately the positive energy is going to change their life, because there are many negative thought process are going on in their mind. When you sit and talk to your children, you will come to know what is happening with them. Spending 10 minutes of your life, 10 minutes of every day spending with your children is very important. Okay? So please invest on this wonderful program. It just, the original price is something great, but just having an intention to help the youth, we have kept this very minimum amount where you can spend, you can invest to change your baby's life, to change your youth life, your children's life. Okay? I want you to think over it, invest on this. and please give this to your children. Tell them to take 11-day challenge with 11 divine techniques. Definitely they will transform themselves. The moment they transform, that time you are going to tap yourself, what a wonderful work I have done for my kids, for my children. Okay, now these techniques are going to make them so peaceful. They will get into serenity. They will have a very content life. They will balance their life. The body, mind, soul connection, they will learn how to do that. They will create their own sacred place, and they will come to know how to get connected to the divine. How to be there in the balance of the three bodies. Okay? Once again, I'm telling you, this is the best gift what you can give it to your children. You want to see your children to be more happy? Just buy this product, buy this program and give it to them. And push them to take the 11-day challenge. Believe me, trust me, they will transform their life. And you see. Okay? As a mother, I have done that. So, I am telling the other parents to do it for their children. They will have a wonderful life. This program is going to lead them to very happy life and very successful life. I trust you that you are going to do it for your children. Okay, so please click on the link, register yourself and invest on this and give this to your children to transform their life. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. I love you.